Dinner in 5 minutes, starting now. No, it's not a salad sandwich. It's a hot, creamy tuna gravy, green beans over rice. All from the pantry with zero prep. I'm MJ, your refrigerator eliminator, and I'm hacking dinner. Let's be real. I'm not a spend all day in the kitchen type girly. Cooking shows, slower than watching paint dry. Snorefest. But I gotta get dinner on the table. So I built a system at loadedpotato.org where dinner doesn't ask for your time or energy. It just shows up. This is proof. And this is all you need for this delicious meal. Instant rice, tuna, cream of mushroom, canned green beans, dehydrated onions, dry whole milk, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. That's it. The one hack that makes this possible, we're dishing regular rice for instant rice. That's the entire secret. Same cozy meal, fraction of the time. Ready in 5 minutes. Watch the clock. So we're gonna start our kettle and pour 2 cups of instant rice into a glass bowl. Now we add 2 cups of boiling water right to our rice. Stir it up. This rice will be ready in 5 minutes, so let's get cranking on the delicious gravy. Grab a pot, and in your pot, you're going to drain your tuna and green beans right into the pot. No waste here. You could add water, but I like being resourceful. Now we're gonna add a 1/4 cup powdered milk, stir it all together till there's no clumps. Now we're gonna add our tuna and green beans to our milk mixture. Now for the flavor, the dried seasonings. We're gonna add 1/4 cup of onions, 1/2 tablespoon of Italian, 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder, and salt and pepper. Stir it all together. Now for the creamy star of the show, the cream of mushroom. Stir it all together till it's looking creamy. Put your pot on the stove on high and cook for about 4 minutes till it's thoroughly hot. Look at that. Oh, time's up. In 5 minutes, you don't have snack food or emergency vibes. You have a real satisfying dinner. This is why pantry meals are elite. Cheap, shelf-stable, emergency ready, and miraculously fast. So, if you're ready to delete stress from dinner, here's your 2-step mission. Step 1, hit subscribe and follow me. I drop new recipes every week that banish chopping, eliminate thawing, and ignore your refrigerator. Step 2, get this exact recipe at loadedpotato.org. The link is in the description below. Now, I need something from you. Let me know in the comments what's the one meal you wish you could make in 5 minutes. You tell me, and I'll hack it for you. Dinner doesn't need to be hard, it just needs to be handled. loadedpotato.org.